Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. All praise is due to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, cherisher and sustainer of the universe, and may His choicest blessings be upon His final messenger, Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam, his family, his companions, radiallahu anhu, and all those who follow him. Ahlan wa sahlan wa marhaban. Welcome to yet another quick and easy program, a joint production by ITV and Sayyid Global Productions, and we love your comments. Continue with them, and we continue with our guest. We introduced him in a previous program, but before that, let me tell you more about our book. There's been such a demand for this, Burma, that people want to know. These are tried and tested recipes. It was done in the first series some 10 years ago. One of them being Mama Cham does biryani as well. Sister Femi does Memin biryani. So tried and tested recipes that have become mainstays in homes. I'm glad you were able to get it, but for those of you who still can't, I just got message the other day that thing Mullah Khalid Dorat has some in his store out in Swane. Not exactly sure of the location, but you can find out. And also Echo Wires in Dolly Ratebe Road, so you can get the copy of that, inshallah. On with the program. In the previous program, introduced the TC Parma from Dehradun, all the way from India. He used to work for Raj Restaurants, and now he works for my son, my illustrious son. And we're doing this in his kitchen. He said, do it when it's a new kitchen. We said, this kitchen is fine. So Parma chef is very used to this kitchen as well. And what are you doing for us today? Welcome to the program, Parma.
Hello, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
And say hello to all your family.
Hello, how are you?
All the way in India and all the Raj restaurants and Plaza restaurants, etc. We're fortunate to have him. You enjoy being here?
Yeah, very nice, and enjoy today also.
Yes.
So today we make for soup, like vegetable, hot and sour soup, like Indian Chinese soup. Indo-Chinese is calling for Indo-Chinese.
So it's not just subcontinent, it's Indo-Chinese.
Indo-Chinese. So, so all Asia, and this soup, special for this time, is the coronavirus time. You can drink this soup, and you can very healthy and very nice.
You get better.
Yeah.
So now apparently Dada wanted, my husband, they call him Dada.
He liked too much for this soup.
For this, he said, please do this soup. So he said he's behest that you're doing it. So let's go through the ingredients, right?
Yeah.
So a lot.
We have cabbage also.
Cabbage, right?
Yeah. Cabbage. This one cauliflower.
Okay.
Green beans.
Oh.
Yeah. Is carrot. Is coriander. This one cabbage. Mushroom. And this one also broccoli.
Broccoli. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
Broccoli. This is cheese.
Okay, cheese.
Yeah. Yeah.
You put cheese inside. I didn't know that.
Yeah, cheese. And salt,
right?
Garlic and ginger, lemon juice. This one lemon, juice press. This one chili vinegar, soya sauce, tomato sauce.
So
and
this
you
will
have
be the
spinach also.
Fantastic.
And this corn flour.
Okay.
And there is spinach. So I want to just show the cutting.
I want you to see how. I want you to watch how he cuts. How good is Parma chef with this?
So this one we can cut for dhania.
Yeah.
I have already chopped, but I want to show how the chopping.
Just look how fast he goes, and he doesn't touch his fingers. Look at that. How stunning is that? I try, but I'm afraid. He said, don't do it. He'll do it for me always. So lovely. Look at that. How fast is that? Stunning, really. And then we've got also our digital stove that you're going to be using to show you how.
So I chop like this one, everything. So I can see for everything how they chop.
Yes.
See.
That's professional, right? My chef, that's professional. Really is professional. And you're going to put tomatoes in as well?
If you can.
Yeah. All right. So we've got everything already. Are you going to put green chilies?
Yeah, we have vinegar chili.
Right, so
already there.
So we've got all these here.
Yeah. So there's everything.
So more onion here. Parvez, you can't do that, Parvez.
See, I can see.
Look all over, but he's still busy. He's looking all over, but he's still busy cutting, Parvez.
See,
yes.
This one is cabbage.
Yeah. Look at that. This is better than a machine. He doesn't need he enjoys doing it with his hand because he says he's faster. Instead of taking the machine, washing it and sorting it out, he does it all. This is a skill. Really, and women, you really need to to see this. I really cannot master. I love cooking, but I cannot master this. Really is amazing. So, fantastic. And what else you want to show?
I'm gonna show you ginger also, how to
okay.
ginger.
Right, so let's do the ginger, and then we need to put the soup up. Okay. Ginger is one of the hardest veggies, so you need a sharp knife, but you need skill with it as well, because look at that. Ginger is very healthy to eat just like that as well. So, wow, that's a julienne strip. That's a julienne cutter without a julienne cutter. Real skill, am I right, Parvez? Yeah. And he's looking around and he's smiling at you, and he's he's smiling at you and he's cutting. Look at it.
See?
Fabulous. Fantastic, Parvez. Wonderful. So you have enough of that. Right.
See, I want to chop this one.
The spinach, right?
Yeah.
Okay, this is, see how fine is that? Stunning. Skill. So different, densities of vegetable, but the same skill. Just it's all in the hand, really is. But he's saying he never saw something being chopped so fast in his entire life. So in the cooking show. In the cooking shows, yes. Why? In the 18 years of the cooking show, so that's true. Now we're going to put on your soup.
Yeah. Now this
pot?
one.
Yeah.
You have chili. If you want to see chili also. How to chop chili.
Yes.
So.
And this is without any machine. So did you learn this in becoming a chef or on your own?
No, yeah, I training for 3 years about for this one.
Oh, wow. Stunning. Really a skill, absolute skill. And the carrot.
Carrot also. All this one soup cutting.
Right.
So you can use for soup.
True julienne strips, right, Parvez? Those are true julienne strips. And now it will be chopped further. Stunning. Oh my word. Watch your fingers, Mamaji.
No. This one cutting before too much. But now.
Now you find.
Now it's 30 years, you can only chopping.
Oh, wow.
You can doing this job. Now it's.
But Mamaji had his shop, his restaurant in Dehradun?
Yeah.
Dehradun.
Amritsar.
Oh,
India.
Okay.
Got restaurant. It's a Hard Rock restaurant.
Okay.
So when we close down there, then we can come this side. Now we can make for
the soup. Okay.
Yeah.
So here we go. You have to let's put the stove on. Oh.
Okay.
The plug is not on.
Yeah.
There we go.
Now first
the
of all,
stove is quite fast.
we're gonna put for the pot, and we're gonna use for the olive oil.
Yes.
We're gonna put for 1 spoon and 1.5 spoon for olive oil.
And we're not advertising any brand.
Yeah.
You can use any brand.
Any brand.
Try and make.
olive oil is better.
Yeah.
You can use for refined oil also.
Yeah.
But olive oil is better.
But olive oil, yeah, definitely. It must be triple virgin. So.
Yeah. So we're gonna use for the garlic.
2 spoons.
Yeah. 2 spoons, and if you want more, 4,
put
5.
more, it's fine because it's time of COVID, so.
Yeah, so we're gonna put for that.
Wonderful. So that has to roast a bit.
Yeah.
Right?
So we're gonna use for ginger.
All the good things for to fight the flu.
Okay.
2 teaspoons, yeah.
And how they little bit browning.
Yes.
And then you can use water.
Oh, water now?
Yeah.
Okay.
You see, now it's brown.
Yeah.
You can use water.
Okay, fabulous.
So it's 2-3 cup. I want to make more for Dada as well.
Okay.
So now you can use, see, mushroom.
Fresh mushrooms he got this morning, so fantastic.
Fresh mushroom.
Yeah. Green beans.
Green beans fresh.
Yeah. Carrots.
Carrot
all
fresh.
1 tablespoon.
Yeah. 1 and 2, that depend for the how many you make.
You want to put here.
Yeah.
Cauliflower.
Cauliflower.
Broccoli.
Broccoli. The cabbage, if you can, So otherwise, no
Yes.
need.
Yes.
But the vegetable is better.
With the
So you
cabbage.
can cabbage.
It's a huge
And-
explosion of veggies here.
And this one
Spinach.
is spinach. The Indo-Chinese.
Indo-Chinese,
special.
yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's not Chinese.
Yeah.
Indo-Chinese.
And Dehradun is quite far north towards the Himalayas, right?
Yeah.
So that's
Near
why he does.
of
Near Chinese
Jammu
border.
Kashmir,
Jammu,
our all
Kashmir.
Himachal, all
Yes.
is. So this one take it for 10 minutes
Yeah. Yeah.
and yeah.
Okay. So now we're going to take a break on that note. When we do come
Yeah.
back, we'll show you the continuation of this. It's a soup, but it's quite a lot of preparation in terms
Yeah.
of preparing vegetables, am I right?
Yeah.
So this is going to boil for about 10 minutes and we'll show you the rest. Stay with us. We'll be back after this. Am I right?
Yeah.